What's good, man? So I ain't did a video in a minute. I'm gonna give y'all an update of what I got going on. I ended up finishing the door handle for the tailgate for the SS. I got the spoiler painted. It's dirty as hell. I got the spoiler painted, man. Let me show y'all what that's gonna look like on there. I got the flip kit done, door handle and the inside now. Look how clean that look, man. It's just gonna be a straight clean look. Let me set this up here. Give y'all an idea of what it's supposed to look like. It's not all the way on there. I had it's kind of stretching on me, so I put this little bottle in here so it'll straighten out. You see how much straighter it look now? Okay, so that's supposed to just sit on here. Well, it ain't gonna just sit on here, but you know, that tailgate gonna look dope for a show. Then I got the sides too as well. So the sides, I gotta get the sides painted again. You see he ain't even paint. He ain't put enough coats on it, man. So once I get this all back put together, I'm just gonna take the whole truck to him and tell him to get it right. I'm just gonna have to, I'm gonna have to stop doing business with him, man. I hate that, man, cause every time it seems like it's something different dealing with him. But like I said, he get the stuff done quick, man. I ain't gotta wait a whole week, 2 weeks. You know? So I got another project, man. I ain't even done with this one. It's just project after project after project after project. And that's why I be selling a lot of this stuff, because it's like I'm so busy, you know. Get tired of this back there. Then the other day, some guy, well, one of my dad's friends decided that if he don't move this truck, he's gonna get evicted. And he had no way of moving this truck, so I got this truck for free, guys. It needs work, but this dang big monster truck, ain't no monster truck. Well, let me show you guys what I got it running. I just got to get a battery for it, and it's gonna be on Marketplace, probably for very cheap. But yeah, big Suburban. It needs somebody work or whatever, but I got the bubble still, and don't nobody want to buy this thing. I don't know why, but it's on Marketplace, and ain't nobody bought it yet. But the Suburban's gonna be on here for very cheap, guys. It runs and drives. It has a 5.7 in it. It needs a battery. I mean, somebody needs a vehicle for very cheap. They can get that for very cheap if they come across it on Marketplace. But yeah, so this is the other project. I ain't even gonna get, some of y'all gonna get mad, but like my uncle said, when I got that Extreme, he said a bug must have bit you, because now all you want is short bed trucks. And I got the SS after that, and it was another truck before that, another SS I got before that. I got the white SS. I had the black one, but this is a short bed. Don't hate me, because it is a Dodge, but it's the 5.9 in it. It's a Dodge Dakota, 2000 Dodge Dakota RT. This is a new project. It look like a sore thumb right now, but it's gonna come together for sure. So the hood has to get painted on it, and I gotta get the fog lights, a grill, the center caps for this thing, the lower ground effects for the back. But that cap, the cap is definitely coming off. I gotta get some lug nuts. I mean, some lug studs for that. This is the next project, guys. Like I said, the bed cap is coming off. I don't know why I ain't took that thing off yet. Cause the back window is missing. I probably would have kept it if I had the back window to it. But it's dirty right now. I haven't touched it. This y'all seeing it for the first time. I haven't touched it since I got it. I just moved it over here. Hey, matter of fact, let me start it up. Like I said, the 5.9 is in it. It's the RT. Dang, no, it's solid though for sure. Like pretty solid up under there. Black interior, dirty as hell. Let's see what this dash. The dash has 107 on the dash. Let's see if I get that cold start. That mug sound good. That's it. That's the next project coming up, man. After I finish the SS, I can't be rushing to the next projects, man. I gotta get one done. But like I said, I still gotta order a few things for this anyway, so ain't even no point in rushing to it. I got everything for the SS. I just gotta swap that tank out and stop wasting time, man. Stop wasting time. But it's been raining like today. I got the tent and everything, but I still don't like to do stuff out in the rain. Like rainy days is just, it's time to sleep on them rainy days, man.